We are very encouraged by our association with the game. The state government has signed MOU with the game to improve the ease of doing business environment in the state. Although we were working as per the GOI initiatives, reforms given by them or points given by them, but still the knowledge and the area of expertise available in the game is definitely helping the state in identifying the other core areas where there was a gap, like in process. There are certain processes which needs to be simplified or made easy for the investors, like change of land use and other process where there is a interlinking of different departments for getting those approvals. So I think in those areas, game is really doing wonderful thing for the state, and I'm sure that with the suggestions given by the game, which are seem very practical and at the ground level, the department would be able to strengthen their processes.
In the process of engaging with the Department of Labour in Punjab, we've learned a few things. One, that status quo is really hard to break. Some of these laws have had a life of 70 years and some even more. They are deeply entrenched in the way government deals with entrepreneurs or interfaces with entrepreneurs, and changing a lot of that does mean an overhaul of the approach, a careful rewriting of rules, and of course subsequently setting up the enforcement mechanisms, as well as the sort of digitized framework potentially, that can help meet the objectives of the labor regulations, but also not throttle the spirit of enterprises. If our recommendations are successful, and if they are finally featured in Punjab's rules, we will have ended all prohibitions on the employment of women in Punjab. We will have reduced the compliance burden by almost 60% in Punjab, including in particular the number of registers that entrepreneurs have to maintain. We will also have successfully encouraged the Department of Labour to transition to a self-certification and third-party evaluation, third-party inspection mode, rather than focusing on department-led inspection regime. And finally, we will have encouraged the department to step away from adding imprisonment terms for small lapses and violations.
I think this is a great initiative because when government is framing laws for the private sector, I think for the private companies, it is really important to learn about the mindset of these companies and to know what problems they are facing in the existing laws. So I really applaud the government of Punjab for involving game in such important process.